Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Hamidi. House or brand of Hamidi is a subsidiary or branch of Sterling Perfume, which owns Armaf. They have many brands under their umbrella, I think up to 20 of them, and Hamidi is one of them. And I unboxed and reviewed at least 4 Hamidis before, and each time they impressed me, especially for the price, for the money. So I had to get more to see if they are still doing the right thing and giving us amazing value for money hidden gems fragrances. But before I do that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. For you it's only a small movement of a finger, but for me it means a lot. It means that I carry on with this endeavor to survive longer, to bring you fragrances like this in future which nobody else talks about, and they could be hidden gems. Okay guys, thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So this one in particular called Hamidi Zabarjad. Hamidi Zabarjad Eau de Parfum 100 ml. Look at this, just beautiful green color and with a nice design to it. The design is a little bit embossed. It says Hamidi all over it. Beautiful design. Again, for the money they give you everything plus the kitchen sinks with the Middle Eastern brands. This one in particular you can find it under £30 in United Kingdom. Eau de Parfum 100 ml, and is targeted unisex, so it opens like this. Hopefully. I said it too early. Come on Hamidi, what's wrong with you? Okay, so look at this beautiful bottle. So the bottle and presentation is for the money. Again, if you go to big names, especially European big names, they never ever give you any perfume under £100 for this kind of presentation, let alone under £30. Okay, so super heavy bottle, beautiful coloring. This one is targeted unisex, and look at that, just presentation, very high quality, very nice. Okay, the cap is quite a weight to it, and the atomizer is golden, and here we go. Very good atomizer. Okay, so how is Hamidi Zabarjad Eau de Parfum 100 ml under £30 and is targeted unisex? Here we go. First impression. Ooh, sweet. So first thing that hits me is the sweetness. Fruity, very fruity. At the moment, it's like a basket of fruit and a basket of citruses. Lemon, bergamot, maybe even grapefruit or lime. Very zesty. Yeah, definitely at least lemon and bergamot in here. Very zesty right now. Oh, I can smell something very tropical. So it's a tropical, is it coconut? Yeah, smells like coconut. So I'm smelling something like coconut, something like pear, something like maybe even mandarin orange in here. It's quite zesty. I can smell a little bit of wateriness, not salty, but watery aspect, like fresh water, like lake or river, more like than sea or oceanic. There's no salt, or at least for the first impression, there's no salt in here. I can smell floral in the mid, definitely rose, definitely white florals, jasmine, definitely something like orange blossoms. Very white floral dominant at the moment. Definitely something sweet in the background, so vanilla most likely. From 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 7 to 8, so it's very, very sweet. It's quite sweet, not overly sweet, but it's quite sweet. It's got a musky feel to it as well, but again, it's in the background right now. But overall, what a beauty. So this one is tropical, is fruity, is floral, is woody in the base. The woods are clean, so most likely to be cedar, or maybe a combination of cedar and the sandalwood to give it that smoothness. Definitely vanilla to give it that sweetness in the base, and overall it's quite a sweet fragrance, and it gives those fruits oomph, and it makes it much more like a basket of fruits. I can smell coconut, I can smell something like pear, I can smell something like a mandarin orange, I can smell some citruses, definitely. So overall, what a juicy, what a beautiful fruity opening. Little bit of backbone of woodiness and also earthiness, little bit, not much. Maybe there's a vetiver in here because little bit on the green side as well, so it could be vetiver, but overall it's clean, fruity, citrusy, floral and woody overall. But what a beauty, very, very well done, very rounded, very good quality for the price, unbelievable. Under £30, this is very well done. I give it 2 thumbs up. Yes, 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 I'm loving it right now. It's beautiful. I would say 25 and up to be on the safe side, but it's the composition is in a way that even the youngsters can wear it, because it's got that tropical, sweet, fruity, floral feel to it. But those floral giving it a little bit of mature feel. So I would say 25 and up to be on the safe side. Definitely, or unisex, anybody can wear it, man and woman, no problem whatsoever. In terms of application, this is better for going out, evening, and things like that. It's very, very well done. Okay, so I'll give it 2 thumbs up. Very, very nicely done. For first impression, yes, 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 but we have to see if the longevity and the usually longevity with House of Hamidi is always good, but you never know. So in the next video I'll let you know how is the performance, longevity and things like that. For now it's filling the room, so it's quite good. Okay guys, so if you have it, if you know, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. Don't forget to hit those buttons to support me, to motivate me to make videos like this, to bring you underrated hidden gems like this in future. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances that are out of this world, they are super artistic, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They are ultra bespoke, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.